Now, the drug distribution system in hospitals to inpatients, it is having the 4 systems in general use for dispensing medications for inpatients. Now, first we will study about individual prescription order system. So, individual prescription order system, here it is a type of prescription system where the physician writes the prescription for individual patient who obtains the drug prescribed from any medical stores or hospital dispensary by paying own charges. So the word itself is self-explanatory. It is individual prescription order system. So the physician is writing the prescription and the individual patient who can obtain the drug either from medical store or through hospital dispensary, and remember that he is paying from his own pocket. Okay. Now, firstly, we will see the individual prescription order system advantages. All medication orders are directly reviewed by the pharmacist here. So, the pharmacist is reviewing all the medication orders directly. It provides the interaction of the pharmacist, doctor, nurse, and the patient. All the healthcare provider, it's an interaction between the pharmacist and other team, including patient. So it provides clear control of the inventory. The pharmacist can have the authority of controlling the inventory. It reduces the manpower requirements, and medication errors can be detected and it can be spotted out. So these are some of the advantages of individual prescription order system, where the medication orders are directly reviewed by the pharmacist. He can check it, again he can review it, and he can follow up the medications. For safer medications, he is the person who is reviewing the medication orders, and it is like interacting with all the healthcare team along with the patient. It provides a good hold on inventory, the itemized list of goods. So which one he has to keep the pharmaceutical product, which one is fast moving, which one is slow moving. He has the control of inventory. It reduces the manpower requirements. Here the manpower requirements is that the pharmacist can take the decisions how much staff is required based on his requirement, based on his suitability and requirement. He is the deciding authority about the staff selection. Lastly, the medication or errors can be prevented here. It can be detected and it can be prevented here. These are some of the advantages in individual prescription order system. Let us move ahead and let us understand there are some disadvantages apart from advantages also. What are the disadvantages associated? It is not suitable. They're talking about individual prescription order system. It is not suitable for larger hospital. Possibility of delay in obtaining medication. So bigger hospitals, it becomes disadvantageous. And there is a delay in getting the medications. So they have to wait there to get the medications. And lastly, there is an increase in cost of the drug to the patient because he has to pay from his own charges, and there is no any kind of discounts or any kind of the things are given to the patient. So the cost of the drug may be not reduced to, there will be no special discounts available for the patients. So that may increase the cost of the drug to the patient. These are some of the disadvantages associated with this individual prescription order system.